Hi everyone! Today we're going to do perimeters of rectangles. The directions are use a formula to find the perimeter of each rectangle. We know there are two different formulas for perimeter. One is length plus width plus width. The other is length times 2 plus width times 2. So let's look at how we use both of these formulas for the first problem here. If I want to do length plus width, I would say 3½ feet plus 3½ feet. So let's see, so the length would be 3½ plus 3½ would equal 7. 2½ feet plus 2½ feet. So for the width, 2½ plus 2½ would equal 5. 7 plus 5 would give me 7 feet. Now I could also do length times 2 plus width times 2. Here's a thing to remember when you're multiplying mixed numbers by a whole number. You need to change the mixed number first to an improper fraction. So you would do that by saying 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 halves plus 7 halves would be 14 halves, or 7. 2½ would become 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 halves plus 5 halves would give you 10 halves, or 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. So you can use either formula for solving the perimeter for these problems today. Length times 2 plus width times 2, or length plus width plus width. Just make sure you remember when you're multiplying a mixed number by a whole number, the mixed number needs to become an improper fraction, and then you can multiply.